Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get your account statement on eToro so you can pay your tax in the UK or Europe. First, go to your portfolio. This can be done on your phone or on the website. Click on History in the menu. At the top, click to open the account statement option. Select the period you need for your tax records. For example, 1 year. Click Create to generate your statement. Review the statement for deposits, withdrawals, dividends, and other activity. Use this information when paying your tax. And that's it. That's how to get your account statement on eToro so you can pay your tax in the UK or Europe. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.